We are back out today with the Avenge X chassis build. I've got a prairie dog sized target way out there in the hills on ridiculous wind, and we're gonna try that today. Let's get to it. 205 yards. Airgun says 7.3. Have I really maxed out already? And I need 2.3 mils more. 2.3 I need to hold. I'm gonna need to hold wind couple of mils. I'll start with one. Wind is kicking my tail. 2.3, all right. Impact first shot. That is awesome. Oh my heavens. So cool. Where did that hit? That hit right on the belly, closer to 2.5. Impact again, just under this belly button where we hit him last time. Wow. We're gonna aim a little higher, actually. It's looking like 3 mils. Let's see if we can get a headshot. Impact on the neck. That was right under his cheek. Wow, that accuracy though. Headshot. There it is, guys. 205 yards.